Meaning of foolishly.
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 Foolishly. Foolishly means to act in a silly, unintelligent, or thoughtless manner. When someone acts foolishly, they may make poor decisions and not think through the consequences of their actions. This can lead to negative outcomes, such as embarrassment, loss of trust, or even harm to oneself or others. It is important to avoid acting foolishly by taking time to consider the potential outcomes of one's actions and making wise choices based on sound reasoning. Otherwise, one may regret their actions later on and suffer the consequences of their foolishness.